Welcome back, folks. It is a wonderful Monday evening. I'm Josephine Sage. Let's talk weather right now as we take a look at these weather headlines. We have unseasonably cold temperatures expected. That means we're a few degrees below those seasonal averages, especially during those afternoon hours, hanging out in those low 30s and upper 20s instead of those mid 30s. We are also expecting actually some unsettled weather in the middle of the work week. Now, we did get a lot of this fresh powder, a lot of this fresh snow through that I-70 corridor and of course down towards that San Juan's region as of essentially, well, yesterday and early this morning. But we've got another round headed our way on in from a Pacific Northwest system, well, late Tuesday night and into Wednesday. However, here in the valley, we are expecting some drier air and some, well, cold temperatures, of course, associated with, well, the middle of January. Now, I do want to chat about just how much snow hit the ground from, well, basically yesterday. We are looking at double digits through a lot of those regions. Steamboat Springs 41, Aspen 24, Gunnison 20, Telluride 21, and mind you, those are just kind of in the range of what is on the top of those mountains. Over the Mesa right now, we actually got 24 fresh inches in the last 24 to 36 hours, and that is actually the most amount of snow that any ski resort over the entire United States has received as of today in terms of that fresh powder in the last 24 to 36 hours. Even earlier, we kind of sold out of tickets actually on Powderhorn. So we're going to notice that this fresh snow is still on its way for later this week as we kind of take a look. I do want to chat about winter driving. Please slow down, pack patience, be cautious of those drivers around you. But I did say I want to chat about this upcoming storm. The Pacific Northwest low is bringing on in this widespread storm through those northern Rockies alongside this Arctic air, and that's what's giving us those below average temperatures. We're going to notice that these widespread showers are really going to start focusing through those northern, those central mountains, that continental divide region, and again, the San Juans. The San Juans could receive another double digits of snow, and actually, you'll notice that 2 feet of snow on the Grand Mesa we were feeling, well, basically earlier today is just going to gain more. We're expecting up to about 4 feet of total accumulation by the end of this week. We're going to notice through, well, tomorrow afternoon, there is still a little bit of some lingering showers, single digits through a lot of those northern areas. And the overall setup for tomorrow is also just really, really watching the storm move on in and get closer and closer to us. We'll even notice late Tuesday afternoon in those evening hours, a little bit of some showers over the northern Rockies before it kind of moves on in and kind of deepens that moisture. We'll notice in our future cast that we just have a little bit of some cloud coverage. Then we're going to fast forward. We're waking up and, well, afternoon hours of Tuesday, that's when that moisture is going to start rolling and waking up with clouds, ending with a little bit of some snow. And Wednesday, more widespread through a lot of those regions, especially, again, those San Juans and that continental divide region. We'll notice earlier today we were really only hitting those 30s, those 20s in Montrose, further east, low to mid 20s. And Discovery Auto Group's 7-day forecast has us still forecasted with those as we look towards the weekend. And Montrose, same kind of trend, but a few degrees cooler even in those 20s for a lot of those daytime hours.